travel paradise. But the strange thing is that those who have actually set foot here call it the last remaining gem of Central America. The most puzzling part is, if Nicaragua is truly that beautiful, why does it remain missing from the travel maps of most tourists? Could its turbulent past have unintentionally overshadowed everything this land possesses? The more you learn, the more you will realize that the image of Nicaragua we once knew might be completely wrong. And that is only the beginning of the story. There is a volcano in Nicaragua that has never truly stopped breathing. It is one of the most intensely active craters in Central America, with sulfur gases rising relentlessly, a constant occurrence even without major eruptions. When the Spanish arrived in the 16th century, they were so terrified that they called it La Boca del Infierno, the mouth of hell. The Masaya caldera spans more than 6 kilometers wide, with sheer cliffs nearly 300 meters high. Inside the Santiago crater, the hard crust above conceals a boiling lava lake beneath, and at night, the red glow from the depths reflects onto the sky like smouldering embers. This is one of the very few places in the world where visitors can stand directly on the edge to observe a lava lake just a few meters away. In 1979, Nicaragua designated this site as the country's first national park. Amidst all that intense heat, life still persists. There are birds that have grown accustomed to the toxic gases, the heat, and the instability. Masaya serves as a reminder that the earth beneath us, no matter where we are, is still in motion.